Hello dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject Maths in Standard 8. In this video, we will continue with our chapter number 5, Expansion Formulae. We will solve practice set 5.3. This is part 2 in which we solve all sums from question number 2. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side. Press the bell icon also to get my all videos. Question number 2 from practice set 5.3 is simplify. Let us observe the question. In question, what we can see in the sums, we can see there is addition of binomial, cube is there, subtraction of binomial, cube is there. That means two binomials are there whose cubes are there, and there is subtraction in between these two binomials. So that means what, we will have to apply the formula to solve the sums. Now see children, in these sums we will not writing the formula. In previous sums, in our previous video of practice set 5.3 question number 1, we have written the formula in our solution. In 5.2 also, in 5.1 also, we have written formula in solution. But here we will not write the formula. We will have to apply the formula. So the formula should be in our mind. While applying the formula, it should be in the mind. So this is our sum and this is the formula which should be there in our mind. This is a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This formula we have applied in practice set 5.2 all questions. And a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square minus b cube. This formula we have applied in 5.3 question number 1. So first see 5.1 and 5.2 and 5.3 all the practice set videos, and then you have to watch this video. Okay, I have given all the links of 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3 question number 1 in my description box. You can check that video and then you all can solve this question. So let us apply this formula. So for first bracket we will be applying a plus b whole cube formula, and for second bracket we will be applying a minus b whole cube. Now in our question, a means 2a, first term is 2a in both the brackets and second term is b. So let us apply. A cube plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube. So we have applied this formula, first formula to first bracket. Now we will be applying second formula to second bracket. Now minus sign is there, we will put the minus sign, and application of formula we will do in square bracket because minus is there, so always write the square bracket after that. And now apply the formula, a cube, that means 2a cube minus 3 into a square into b. 3 into a square means 2a square, our a is 2a in question, multiply by b plus 3 into 2a into b square minus b cube. So we all know in both the formulas expansion is same. In first formula all signs are plus signs. In second formula first sign minus, second plus, and third again minus. So in this way we have applied plus sign in first binomial and minus plus minus sign in the second binomial. Otherwise all the terms are same. Now let us solve it. Equal to 2a cube. 2a cube means 8a cube plus 3 into b is 3b multiply by 2a square is 4a square plus 3 2s are 6a into b square plus b cube minus, again same terms will come in the bracket also, only difference is of sign. So it is 8a cube minus 3b into 4a square plus 6a into b square minus b cube. Next step, 8a cube plus 3b into 4a square, 3 4s are 12, and b into a square we have to write, so we should always write a square b because a comes first and after that b comes in the alphabet. So always write a square and then b plus 6a into b square means 6ab square plus b cube. Now I am having space here, so I will be writing this second bracket, square bracket on this side. 8a cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square minus b cube. Okay, so this bracket I have solved and I have written here. Now once again I will be writing 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. Now I will be removing this square bracket. So while removing, what we will have to do, we will have to change the signs inside the bracket, because here 8 sign is plus, so plus minus will become minus. Okay, then minus minus will become plus, then minus plus will become minus, and minus minus will become plus again. So here minus 8a cube minus minus plus 12a square b minus plus will become minus 6ab square, minus minus will become plus b cube. Okay, now see children, we can see two terms are similar. So if two terms are similar, either we can add them or subtract them. So first we will see the subtraction. 8a cube plus 8a cube plus 8a cube and minus 8a cube plus 8 minus 8, answer will be 0. 8 minus 8, answer will be 0. So these two terms are cancelled, cut. Okay, 8a cube minus 8a cube, 0. Opposite signs, check the terms with opposite sign and cancel them, because their answer will be 0. Now plus 12a square plus 12a square, both are having plus sign, so we should not cancel them. Plus 6ab square minus 6ab square, same terms with opposite sign, cancel them. Plus b cube, same terms with same sign, we cannot cancel them. Now let us write them. Remaining terms we will be writing 12a square b plus 12a square b plus b cube plus b cube. Two terms, same terms with same sign, we can add them. Add. While adding, what we do, we only add the coefficient and variables we write as it is. So 12 plus 12 is 24, and variable, common variables we write one time, a square b plus b cube plus b cube means 1b cube plus 1b cube. Nothing is there means always 1 is there in the coefficient. So it is 1b cube plus 1b cube. It will be 1 plus 1, 2, and b cube we write one time. So answer is 24a square b plus 2b cube. Now next sum, 3r minus 2k cube plus 3r plus 2k cube. So here we will be applying a minus b whole cube formula, and here a plus b whole cube. A is 3r, b is 2k. Okay, so let us apply the formulae. Both these formulae we will be applying one by one in both the brackets. Equal to, for first bracket we will be applying this second formula, 3r cube minus 3 multiply by 3r square multiply by 2k plus 3 into a into b square. A is 3r multiply by b square is 2k square minus 2k cube. Okay, so we have applied second formula to first bracket. Now for first bracket, For second bracket, we will be applying first formula. Plus sign is there, we will put the plus sign. As plus sign is there, we don't require to put inside the square bracket. When minus sign is there, we always have to put inside the square bracket. Now we will be applying the formula. First formula, all the signs are plus sign, otherwise the terms will be same. So here 3r cube plus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square plus 2k cube. So first step is to apply the formula. We have applied it. Now solve it. 3 cube is 27. Cube of r is r cube. 3 into 2k, we will first multiply this. 3 2s are 6k multiply by 3r square is 9r square plus 3 into 3r is 9r multiply by 2k square is 4k square minus 2k cube. 2 cube is 8, cube of k is k cube. Now plus, and all these terms are again same, we will be writing same terms. 3k cube is 3r cube is 27r cube plus 3 into 2k is 6k multiply by 3r square is 9r square. Same terms will be coming, only the sign will be different. Now plus sign is there, put the plus sign. 3 3s are 9r multiply by 2k square is 4k square plus 2k cube. 2 cube is 8, cube of k is k cube. Now we will be solving these multiplications. First term 27r cube minus 9 6 are 54 r square k. I write r square first and then k plus 9 4s are 36 r k square minus 8k cube. Okay, now I am having space, I can write on this side, so I will be writing plus 27 r cube plus 54 r square k plus 36 r k square plus 8k cube. Now we will cancel same terms with different sign, with opposite signs. So which terms we can see? Plus minus 54 r square k plus 54 r square k, cancel these two terms. Minus 8k cube plus 8k cube, cancel. Now we will be writing remaining terms. 27r cube plus 27r cube plus 36 r k square plus 36 r k square. Add 27 plus 27 will be 54 r cube. 36 plus 36 will be 72 r k square. This is the answer. Third sum, 4a minus 3 whole cube minus 4a plus 3 whole cube. So for first bracket we will have to apply a minus b whole cube formula, and second bracket a plus b whole cube formula. A is 4a and b is 3. So now let us apply. First bracket we will be applying a minus b whole cube formula. So is equal to a cube means 4a cube minus 3 multiply by 4a square multiply by 3, correct, 3a square b. Now plus 3 into 4a into 3 square minus b cube. B cube means minus 3 cube. Now minus sign is there, put the minus sign, and we will apply plus formula to the second bracket, but as minus sign is there, we will put in the square bracket, and as plus is there, all the signs will be plus, otherwise the terms are same. So 4a cube plus 3 into 4a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 square minus 3 cube. Not minus, it is plus, because plus sign is there, so all these signs will be plus. Now solve. 4a cube. 4 cube is 64 and cube of a is a cube minus 3 3s are 9 multiply by 4a square, that is 16a square, plus 3 4s are 12a multiply by 3 square is 9 minus 3 cube is 27 minus square bracket 4a cube is 64a cube minus 3 3s are 9 into 4a square means 16a square plus 3 4s are 12a into 9 plus 27. 64a cube 9 into 16, 16 9, 144a square plus 12a into 9, 108a minus 27 minus inside the bracket again all the terms will be same. 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a plus 27. Now next step we will be removing the bracket. So let us remove the bracket now. When I remove the bracket, I will write in the single line 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27 minus, now I am removing the bracket and I will be writing all these terms in the same line. 64a cube minus minus will become plus 144a square minus plus is minus 108a minus plus is this will be plus na, because all the terms are plus, so it should be minus sign. Okay, let us do it properly, no confusion, because in second term all the signs are plus sign, because here in second bracket plus sign is there, so all signs in the second bracket will be plus sign. So when we remove this bracket, all sign will become minus sign. So minus 64a cube minus 144a square minus 108a and minus 27. Now we will cancel the same terms with opposite signs. Plus 64a cube minus 64a cube plus 108a minus 108a. Now remaining two terms are having same sign, so it is minus 144a square minus 144a square minus 27 and minus 27. So minus minus will become plus, but sign will be minus. Sign of bigger number or sign same number are having sign, so it is minus sign. 144 plus 144 will be 288a square and minus 27 minus 27, sign is minus, we will do the addition. 27 plus 27 is 54. So this is the answer. For sum 5x minus 7y whole cube, 5x plus 7y whole cube plus sign is there. So let us solve. apply the formula, minus formula to first bracket plus formula to second bracket. A is 5x, B is 7y. So formula, if you want, you can keep in front of you and then apply the formula. Otherwise, if you have remembered the formula or you have by-hearted the formula, you don't require to put in front of you like this. Okay, so we will not be keeping like this. As it is in our mind, we will be applying. So 5x cube minus 3 into 5x square multiply by 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y whole square minus 7y cube. We have applied formula to first bracket, a minus b whole cube formula. Now we will be applying to the second bracket. Plus sign is there, we don't require to put the square bracket. Okay, so 5x cube, all the signs will be plus sign, otherwise the terms are same. Here we should write plus sign. 3 into 5x square multiply by 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square plus 7y cube. So we have applied the formula to both these brackets. Now let us solve. 5x cube, 5 cube is 125, x cube minus 3 sevens are, we will multiply 3 and 7y. 3 sevens are 21y multiply by 5x square. 5 square is 25, square of x is x square plus 3 fives are 15, x is there, so write 15x multiply by 7y square. 7 square is 49, square of y is y square minus 7y cube. Cube of 7 is 343, cube of y is y cube. So in this way we have multiplied this 3 into 7y and we have written the square of 5x. Similarly here we have multiplied 3 into 5x and we have written the square of 7y, and here we have written 7y cube and 5x cube. Same thing we will do for this, all these terms. So all the signs are plus sign. 125x cube plus 21y into 25x square plus 15x into 49y square plus 343y cube. Now we will write the answers of these multiplications first. 125x cube as it is minus 21 into 25. Okay, 25 ones are 25, 5 written, 2 carrying, 25 twos are 50, 50 plus 2 is 52, 525 x square y. Next one, 49 into 15. 15 table we all know, so we will multiply 15 and 49. 15 nines are 135, 5 written, 13 carrying. 15 fours are 60, 60 plus 13 is 73, 735 xy square minus 343 y cube. Now all the terms are plus sign and same terms, only plus sign will be there. So 125 x cube plus 525 x square y plus 735 xy square plus 343 y cube. Now we will cancel same terms with opposite sign. So which are the same terms with opposite sign? 525 x square y minus sign, here plus sign. 343 y cube minus sign, here plus sign. Now same terms we will add. 125 x cube plus 125 x cube plus 735 xy square plus 735 xy square. Add. 125 plus 125 will be 250. X cube we write one time. Common variable we write one time. Plus 735 plus 735. 5 plus 5 0. 1 carrying. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7 plus 7 14, 1470 xy square. So in this way we have got this answer. In this way, when two brackets are there, we have to apply the formula to both the brackets, keep on solving the sums and get the answer. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.